This will be perfect for our extra special night.
Looks good, Ruby. Your cake is finished baking, but don't decorate it until it's cooled down, okay?
I won't, Mom. Hi!
Max, you look like you're going to bed early.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the St. Louis Metropolitan Police Department. Another Lost Max and Ruby episode has turned people into bunny zombies. This recently occurred on May 5th, 2039. Canada will now be closing all the borders of the Canada-United States border due to bunny zombies attacking the United States. The safest place to avoid the bunny zombies attack is to go to an airport and fly either to Hawaii or to Calgary. The safest way to avoid the bunny zombie apocalypse is to go to Calgary from St. Louis. Calgary and the rest of Alberta will defend its population, including the 9 other provinces and 3 territories. If you're unable to fly to Calgary or fly to Hawaii, call 911 immediately for the St. Louis Metropolitan Police Department. They have a bullet train if you decide to either go to Calgary or Hawaii. If you are in Canada already, make sure the government of Canada will defend its population against the bunny zombie apocalypse. Do not watch Max and Ruby 0005 or Max and Ruby 0004.
Don't go to bed tonight, because if you do, then I will place a bomb in a blue shell under your bed. Death is our only release.
This is CNN Breaking News. Welcome to CNN News. My name is Paul Anderson, and today news is all about the bunny zombie apocalypse. At 12:07 a.m., half of the population turned into bunny zombies where they watched Max and Ruby 0005. This was just 12 years after the Max and Ruby 0004 attacks where people in Nashville refused to eject a copy of R.I.P. Mommy and Daddy. Children also watched it in Las Vegas. So now we stopped Ruby from attacking Missouri. Now we are going to live with Stephen Clark.
Thank you, Paul. As you may know, the alarm has been sounded when St. Louis is now being attacked by the bunny zombies. Half of the population wore in protective suits to avoid being attacked by the bunny zombies. They also got some weapons to kill the bunny zombies during the apocalypse. It is also causing half of the population killing the bunny zombies during the 2039 bunny zombie outbreak. Battle Skyrim, battle axes, bows, swords, destruction spells, or killing the bunny zombies. Nurses will try to cure the infected people if they go to the hospital. This is Stephen Clark, signing off.
Remember to stay safe during the apocalypse. Or, if you have a protective suit, grab any battle axe, or bow and arrows, or any sword, or any destruction spells and get ready to survive the battle Skyrim. We will see you at 6 a.m.